Open your Filmora 15 and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Double-click on your video clip and go to Video, Basics, and scroll down until you see the Relight feature. Enable the feature. Here you will see buttons like Light 1 and Light 2, which will allow you to adjust the lighting of your video as if you are actually changing it in the production, not your typical filter application. If ever your subject's face is underexposed or overexposed, you can use this Relight feature to improve your video quality. Whenever you drag these colors, it will automatically adjust the lighting of your video. You can actually change the color of the light that suits your video. At this point, I am just experimenting the best color and light settings for my subject. What I liked about this feature, it is very responsive. The moment you drag the light, it adjusts the video's lighting immediately. If you want to improve the lighting just on the subject while background is not affected, just choose people in both colors. This will allow you to relight your subject with ease and without messing up your background. Just remember that you can adjust the settings of both light, and when you select one, it will show you the current settings for that color relight. If you're thinking that you're going to be tired on relighting all your clips, worry not. Let's say you created a relight that you want to apply to the rest of your clips. Just save your work as a preset, and you'll be able to see it right here and use it to your future projects. There are several presets made for you here. You can check them out by double-clicking the Relight preset. Some of these are very useful, especially in short films or sci-fi films, romance, nostalgia, and many more. Of course, adjustment of light will be based on your subject. Just play around with this tool and you'll be telling a story with an improved lighting. These presets are just made for you, and just look how easy it is to relight your entire clip. This is really a must-try feature of Filmora 15 so far. Like this one, if you want to make your scene look romantic, with just a click, you can see that this clip undergone relight and now looks like a lovely or romantic scene. Lastly is this yellow and blue light preset, which can give you a dawn or sunset look. This feature is really a game changer for video editors out there. You won't even notice that it is just a relight since the lights are seamless, to the point that it looked like a feathered mask in between colors. Like and subscribe to know more about this feature.